Remember the last time you tried to see what the competitors had done for the last 3 months? Or for Black Friday last year? Or Black Friday but 2 years ago? It might have been hours spent on research. Now you have everything in one place. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how the company pages work on Panoramata and every insights you can gather out of them. Let's get to it. Every single company we do track on the platform has its own dedicated company page. So here I have Anthropology, Athletic Greens, Hungry Root, Parade, and ClickUp. Each tab is going to give you access to different kind of data. Summary is going to give you all the recent marketing updates that we've gathered on this specific company. The calendar tab is going to give you an overview of all the marketing updates that we've gathered for here, Parade, but organized in a content calendar. There are 3 cool things here. The first one is that you can of course hover any day and see what they've done that specific day. You can also summarize any given month and see exactly what they've been up to in May 2025 or December 2022. And the third thing is you can search. So here, for instance, if I just want to look for the keyword summer, the platform's automatically going to tell me when and how they've actually mentioned that keyword in their marketing strategy. And I can see that, for instance, they start to mentioning summer at the end of April, and it was pretty much the same thing last year until the end of August. On the emails tab, you're going to find every single emails sent by your competitor. You can of course click on an email and you're going to see it right away. You can of course save it in one of your lists on the platform, download it as well. We're going to classify it and give you a good understanding of its deliverability potential by measuring its spam score. This spam score is not something that we came up with. It's the very same calculation Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, and all the major ESPs are using. Basically, in a word, if you're below 0, you're safe. Between 0 and 2, you're okay for deliverability. If you're between 2 and 5, you're at risk. If you're above 5, you're going to be in the spam folder 100% of the cases. On top of this spam score, we'll also provide you with an email score, where we do check and measure for you how optimized is this email in particular and their whole email marketing strategy in general. For the companies sending SMSs, we're going to track them as well, and you'll be able to find them all right here. For most of the companies that we do track as well, we'll also track their flows, specifically welcome and lost checkout, and more if available. But for instance, here I have the welcome flow of AG1 measured a few weeks ago, and I can see all the emails and SMSs that are part of this very specific flow, and I can also see the changes they've made over time. For all these companies, we'll also track the main landing pages and the main changes that they're doing on their website, homepage, and product pages as well. Here, for instance, I have a landing page. I have another one here. If I go on ClickUp, I have the homepage, I have the pricing page. Here, for instance, I can see all the changes ClickUp has done on their pricing page from a year and a half ago and 22 days ago. And I can do before after to really see what they've been changing just right away. Same thing with AG1, where I have this specific landing page, how it was 2 years ago, 16 days ago, and I can do again before after to see everything that they did change and if they've implemented new change in the meantime. So for every single page that we do track on the platform, whether it's a homepage, a product page, or a landing page as well, you're able to see the changes that they've made on this page over time, but also all the ads and how much ads over time they've been publishing towards this specific page as well, so you can get a good understanding of their funnel. On the ads tab, you're going to be able to see all the ads a specific competitors has published over time on Meta, so Facebook, Instagram, but also TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Display, and YouTube as well. Here, for instance, for Hungry Root, I can see all the recent Meta and Google Display ads that we've been detecting. I can see all the details here. You can, of course, play all the ads right away, download them, save them, see the associated landing page as well, and get a creative analysis, because we're going to analyze every single ads that they've published. So you can get statistics here on, of course, the volume of advertising that we've detected on the last 19 days for this specific company, but also their main USPs or the main emotions or the main hooks that they've been using as well. Let's say that, for instance, we're looking for all the UGC ads published by Hungry Root or all the one with the USP about easy recipes. Again, here, all the UGCs, and here, all the one with easy recipes. Of course, as for the emails, you can also search here, select a date range, or filter by specific networks or assets as well. On the socials tab, you're going to be able to track all the socials account associated to this company. Here, for instance, for anthropology, we're tracking 3 different Instagram accounts. So you can see for any single one the trends in terms of followers growth, in terms of engagement rate, in terms of volume of posting as well. And you can see all the recent posts in one place. The cool thing here is I can only filter by one specific Instagram account if I'd like to, and then sort by the most likes. And I have the most engaging post made by this competitor right away. Well, the rest is easy. If you click on softwares, you're going to see all the softwares that we've detected this company is using. If you click on stats, you're going to be able to compare this whole company against the industry in terms of volume of sending, ad publishing, which day of the week they're sending email, which hour of the day, these kinds of metrics. All right, that was all for the company page. There's always much more to it, but now it's your time to explore. Again, if you need anything, if you have any question, our team is here to help. You also have dedicated spaces on the platform where you can send us requests if there are stuff that you'd like to see on your competitors. Don't hesitate, the possibilities of tracking are limitless. Take care, bye-bye.